Why does your car make noise when you turn the steering wheel? You're backing out of a parking spot, turning the wheel, and then you hear it. A squeak, a groan, or that annoying whining sound that makes you think something's about to break. What's really going on? Most of the time, it's your power steering system talking to you. When you turn the wheel, the power steering pump builds hydraulic pressure to help you steer smoothly. If the fluid level is low, or the fluid is old and dirty, the pump starts to whine or moan because it's struggling to build that pressure. Other times, the sound isn't from the pump at all. It could be a worn belt, dry suspension joints, or even a bad steering rack, all parts that get stressed when you turn sharply. So that noise isn't random. It's your car's way of telling you that something in your steering system is working harder than it should, and it's letting you know before it fails.